Dissipate or disappear? What's the difference? Ooh, I like today's pair of words because this is a perfect example of how you can have a pair of false friends that are very close in meaning, very close in the way their origins, but it's in the way that they're used that makes them different. Now, if you take a look at the definitions that we've got here, both dissipate and disappear look like they should mean the same thing, but pay very close attention to the way in which they're different. Dissipate means to make something disappear or to make something go away because it becomes less concentrated. Think of things like perfume or smoke, for example, where you might have a big concentration of it and then it goes away because it basically gets less concentrated. Disappear, on the other hand, has the idea of to go away completely or stopping being visible, especially when something happens very, very quickly. So this is a good example of how the predicate, the verb plus the information that comes after the verb, helps work together to make the difference a little more obvious. In the first two examples, with dissipate, we had the idea of something was really concentrated at the source, but as the heat went into the night sky, or as his cologne began to be less concentrated when he opened the window, it doesn't go away entirely, but it's a lot less noticeable. Now compare that to the predicate using disappear. The magician made the rabbit disappear into the hat. The rabbit made the hat. When the rabbit went in the hat, it stopped being visible. Similar to, he spends his money so quickly that it disappears from his bank account in a week. Not only does it stop being there, it stops being there very, very quickly. And as always, if you have any questions or any comments, don't hesitate to get in touch. I can be reached via email at did2a2learning@gmail.com or via Instagram at the handle @yourlanguageteacher. Thanks very much and talk to you soon.